This video will help and teach you about the Entity Relationship Model. Entity Relationship (MODEL) modeling is a graphical approach to database design. It is a high-level data model that defines data elements and their relationship for a specified software system. An ER model is used to represent real-world objects. So, this time, I will discuss the ER diagram of a hospital management system. As you can see, there have different shapes in the ER model, including the rectangle, diamond, and oval. The rectangle is used for the entities. So, what do you mean by the entity? An entity is a thing or object in the real world that is distinguishable from the surrounding environment. Then, an entity has a set of properties, and the attributes are oval-shaped. Each attribute can have values. In most cases, a single attribute has one value. But it is possible for attributes that have multiple values also. And the diamond shapes are what we call the relationship. The first entity is the doctor entity, which has attributes of qualification, name of the department, doctor's ID, and lastly, the contact number. As you can see on top of it, there has a diamond-shaped label as workstation, which serves as the relationship with the other entity, and that is the department. The department entity has attributes of department name, department location, and facility. Moreover, below the doctor entity, you can see there the regular and the on-call. That's what we call the one-to-many relationship. So now, the two types of doctors are regular and on-call. The regular has an attribute of salary, while the on-call has attributes of payment due and fees per call. Between the doctor and patient entity, there has a relationship, which is the checkup. The checkup has attributes of diagnosis, status, and treatment where the data are coming from the patient entity with attributes of contact number, name of patient, address, and the last is the age. Another one relationship of doctor to patient is the doctor operates on the patient, which has attributes of the type of operation, patient condition, medicines, and date operation. Besides, from the patient entity, you can notice that there have two other entities. Those are regular and patients admit. In a regular entity, it has attributes of date visit, payment, and medicines. Somehow, in the patient admit, it has attributes of advance payment, room number, admits on, condition, and mode of payment. Once the patient will be discharged, and then it will have a relationship to patient discharge. The patient discharge has attributes of treatment advice, the treatments given, medicine, the payment given, and discharge date. Finally, this will be the end of this video, and I hope you have learned a lot from this. See you in my next upload, and thank you for watching.